If you're using Odoo to manage subscriptions, whether it's for a monthly rental, a recurring service, or a maintenance plan, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. We'll cover how to enable and install the subscription module, create a subscription product correctly, prepare a customer quotation for recurring billing, and avoid common setup mistakes that often confuse new users. Let's start from the beginning. Go to Apps and make sure the subscriptions module is installed and active. Without this module, you won't see the subscription settings in your products or sales orders. Once that's installed, open the Products menu and click Create. Here, you'll give your subscription a name, for example, Monthly Office Rent or Service Plan, Gold Package. Now, this part is very important. Even though this is a subscription product, you still need to enable the option Can Be Sold. If you forget this step, the product won't appear when you try to create a quote or sales order later. This is one of the most common errors people make. They create the product, assign it to a subscription plan, and then wonder why it doesn't show up in the quotation list. It's simply because Can Be Sold was left unchecked. Next, scroll down to the Sales tab. Here, you can select your invoicing policy, usually prepaid, charge, recurring for subscription-based products. Then, under the Subscription tab, you'll see options to choose a subscription template. This template controls how often the customer is billed, for example, monthly, quarterly, or annually. Let's choose monthly for this example. You can also assign it to a specific category or plan name if you've customized your templates. Now click Save. Next, we'll create a quotation for our customer. Let's use Customer XYZ as an example. Open the Sales module, click Create, and select your customer. In the order line, search for your new subscription product. If it doesn't appear, double-check that you've enabled the Can Be Sold checkbox on the product. Once the product is added, set the quantity to 1 and check that the recurring billing period shows as monthly. You'll also notice that by default, sales tax might appear on this product. If your subscription is for a service like rent, consulting, or digital access, you might need to remove the tax. Simply click the tax field and choose No Tax. That's another common mistake. Users forget to remove sales tax from non-taxable subscription services. It's always a good idea to confirm your tax setup before sending out recurring invoices. Once everything looks correct, click Save and then confirm the quotation. Odoo will automatically generate the subscription contract based on your selected plan. From there, invoices will be created automatically each billing cycle according to your subscription rules. Let's quickly recap the key points to remember. Always install the subscriptions module before creating subscription products. Enable Can Be Sold, even for subscription items. Double-check your tax setup. Remove it if it's a service-based subscription. Use the correct subscription template, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, and confirm the quotation to generate your recurring contract. These small configuration steps make a huge difference when setting up recurring revenue streams in Odoo. If you find your subscription product not showing in the quote or not invoicing correctly, check these areas first. Most issues come down to one of these missing settings. For more tutorials like this, subscribe and visit Katylinks.com, your partner for practical Odoo training, accounting automation, and real-world setup guides for business users.